All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 12-passenger T350 XLT model. It is a Ford with 29,000 miles. This mid-roof, super nice. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. All around, minimum damage. Only really has some damage on the roof. Other than that, this truck looks great, guys. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks wonderful. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty darn good. Here's your front driver's hubcap. And your tire third, which is over 8/32. This door looks good. This quarter looks great in its entirety. Looks really good. All right, here's your rear driver's hubcap, and your tire third here is under 7/32. Check it out. We got power windows, power door locks. He's got your power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Super nice. Turn on the lights. Got your AM FM. There you go. You got your AM FM CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your AC controls right down below. All right. You got your backup camera. Boom. You got steering wheel controls on this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You need some gas and tire pressure light on. There's your mileage of 29,841. Looks good. Let's keep it moving. Coming around. Rear bumper looks good. Doors look great. Boom, they do swing out all the way. So of course what your cargo area looks like, very nice. All right, one of your doors, boom, looks great. Normally these panels are pretty beat up, but on this one, they look good. Likewise here, this panel looks great. Boom, check it out up there. Still look good. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. Tire third back here. Just as the other one, just a hairline on the 7/32. The sliding door, great. Here is your first row and your cargos. Your first row. Very nice. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row, in your second row, and your third row. No holes, no tears, and rips. Does have rear running ACs. You got rear AC vents. AC controls, and the vents are running up there. Very nice. Here is your front passenger seat. Boom. No holes, no tears, no rips, as you can see to that. Get a ladder. Hopefully this 3-foot ladder works, where I don't get killed. All right. Alright, folks, and as you can see, it does have a dent here, as you can see, and a dent here, some paint off and some more over there. Other than that, we look pretty good. It's got some dents. I'll just call it 10 or more on this here, then golf it. Alright, and now I'm going to move to the other side, show you those. So you can see, both lights are working, truck looks decent. And this bad boy here. Thank you. All right, and it's another side, the other side, what it looks like here. Boom. All right, and we got some edging here. Damp paint off there on the edge. All right, and one more from the back. One more from the back, just so you guys can see it. All right, boom. Got some dents here as well, as you can see. All right, guys, that pretty much is it. All right, I'm my Norwegian L count. Okay, folks. Once again, this is 2017 Ford Transit T350 mid-roof 12-passenger wagon with 29,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, do not hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.